Welcome back to Zodiac Universe. Today, we take a deep look into the Gemini horoscope for December. This is a month filled with powerful lessons, personal boundaries, attraction, opportunities, and important social moments. Settle in as we break down the emotional and energetic flow of this month from start to finish, helping you move through December with clarity, confidence, and purpose. Let's begin. As December opens, you may find yourself reflecting on how certain people have been treating you in recent weeks. Some individuals may have approached you with negativity, disrespect, or an attitude that simply wasn't fair. Their words may have been sharp, their tone unpleasant, or their presence draining. And although you are adaptable, light-hearted, and good at brushing things off, this situation has likely gone on long enough to affect you. Think of the classic sign that some businesses still place on their doors: no shirt, no shoes, no service. While that sign refers to clothing, the deeper idea behind it is boundaries. Expectations. A line that must be respected. This month asks you to create your own version of that sign, not literally, but emotionally. You don't need to demand anything loudly. You don't need to argue or explain endlessly. Instead, December encourages you to communicate your feelings clearly, calmly, and directly. You can express what behavior you find unacceptable. You can let someone know that their tone, their treatment, or their attitude is not something you will continue to tolerate. And you can do all of that without losing your composure. This month is about your voice, Gemini. Not your witty humor, not your fast-paced intellect, but your ability to set boundaries with elegance and strength. When you do this, you'll notice a shift. Either the person adjusts their behavior, or they naturally move out of your space, creating room for better connections. As we move toward the middle of December, something remarkable begins to unfold. You may get a direct reminder of how powerful your thoughts truly are. Something you've casually envisioned or daydreamed about, perhaps a personal goal, a desire, an emotional wish, or even a material outcome, starts to align with reality. You may have imagined having it. You may have pictured it for a while. And suddenly, it begins to manifest. This is your lesson in the law of attraction. Positive thinking may not solve everything instantly, but it absolutely influences the opportunities you draw into your life. When your thoughts are hopeful and your vision is clear, situations begin to shift. Even if your manifesting has not been intentional, you'll see just how quickly things can fall into place when your mindset aligns with your desires. Carry this with you. December is a month where your ideas hold power. Your mind is especially magnetic right now. Use that awareness wisely. Throughout the month, you may notice a particular opportunity appearing again and again. It might be a career opening, a creative idea, a personal invitation, a financial possibility, or even a chance to collaborate with someone. Whatever it is, it keeps resurfacing, almost as if the universe is gently tapping you on the shoulder, reminding you that this path matters. But here's the challenge: you might be brushing it aside. Maybe you doubt the timing. Maybe you feel uncertain. Maybe you think it's too big, too risky, or not serious enough yet. Gemini, this is your sign to stop ignoring it. The more this opportunity reappears, the more important it becomes. If you continue to hesitate, you may miss something meaningful, something that could shift your future in a positive direction. Act on it while you can. Allow yourself to explore it. December rewards those who take initiative. As we enter the final week of the month, the energy softens beautifully. A special opportunity for socializing comes your way, either with someone you feel a growing connection with, or with a group of friends whose company brings you joy. This may be a gathering, a celebration, a reunion, or a spontaneous outing that helps you reconnect with light-hearted fun. After a month of boundaries, decisions, reflection, and manifestation, this social moment becomes a bright ending. It lifts your spirits, recharges your energy, and reminds you of how important human connection is to your sign. Make space in your schedule for this. Don't cancel. Don't dismiss it. This interaction may bring laughter, closeness, clarity, or even a new spark in your personal life. By the end of December, you will notice how much you've grown. You've strengthened your boundaries. You've learned to use your mind intentionally. You've recognized repeating opportunities. And you've allowed joy to return to your life after dealing with challenging dynamics earlier in the month. Gemini, December is your month of reclaiming control through communication, clarity, and conscious intention. Now, let's close with a message for you to carry forward. You are not responsible for the moods or behavior of others. You are responsible for protecting your peace. Speak your truth clearly, trust the power of your mind, take action when opportunity knocks, and allow yourself to embrace moments of joy when they arrive. December supports you every step of the way. Thank you for listening to Zodiac Universe. If you enjoy deep, reflective horoscope like this, stay connected for more monthly guidance and cosmic insight. Until next time, keep shining your light, stay true to your voice, and move confidently into the future you are creating.